Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we dive into the wild what-ifs of science. Imagine this, you're chilling on your couch, scrolling through your feed, when suddenly, the world ends. Not with a whimper, but with a bang, or a freeze, or a melt. Today, we're counting down the 7 most terrifying ways Earth could actually meet its doom. All grounded in real astrophysics and geology. Buckle up, this might keep you up at night. First off, let's set the stage. Earth has survived billions of years of cosmic chaos, but it's not invincible. These scenarios aren't Hollywood fiction. They're based on scientific possibilities, from asteroid odds calculated by NASA to stellar evolution models. We'll rank them from scary to downright apocalyptic, mixing hard facts with a dash of imagination. And hey, no doomsday prepping required, yet. Starting with number 7, a massive asteroid slam. Remember the dinosaurs. About 66 million years ago, a rock the size of a mountain, roughly 10 kilometers wide, crashed into what's now Mexico. It kicked up so much dust that sunlight vanished for years, triggering a global winter. Plants died, food chains collapsed, and poof, 65% of life gone. Fast forward to today. Space agencies track near-Earth objects. And while a dino killer is unlikely soon, a 1-kilometer asteroid could still wipe out cities and cause tsunamis. Imagine the fireball lighting up the sky like a second sun. Then the shockwave flattening forests. Terrifying. Absolutely. But we've got telescopes watching, so maybe we deflect it with a nudge from a spacecraft. Phew. Number 6. The Supervolcano Blowout. Yellowstone isn't just a pretty park. It's a ticking time bomb. These calderas erupt every 600,000 years or so, and Yellowstones do. If it goes off, it wouldn't be like Mount St. Helens. We're talking a blast, ejecting 1,000 cubic kilometers of ash. That ash cloud would blanket the U.S., blocking the sun for months, dropping temperatures by 10 degrees Celsius worldwide. Crops fail, famines hit, and acid rain poisons rivers. Scientists model this using seismic data. It's not if, but when. Picture hiking in the park one day, then boom, the ground splits, lava fountains hundreds of meters high. We'd survive, but society, shaken to its core. Dropping to number 5, a gamma ray burst from space. These are universe's deadliest fireworks beams of radiation from exploding stars, packing the energy of the sun's lifetime in seconds. If one pointed right at us from a nearby galaxy, say 10,000 light-years away, it could strip our ozone layer in a flash. Ultraviolet rays would flood Earth, frying plankton in the oceans and spiking cancer rates everywhere. No warning, no escape, just a silent zap from the cosmos. Astrophysicists spot these bursts daily, but the odds of one hitting home are slim, like winning a bad lottery. Still, imagine the sky glowing unnaturally bright for a split second. Then, the long, irradiated dark. Number 4. Rogue black hole invasion. Our galaxy's full of these invisible monsters, remnants of dead stars with gravity so strong, light can't escape. Most are far away, but what if a rogue one, maybe solar mass size, wandered into our solar system? It could slingshot planets out of orbit or swallow Earth whole. Simulations from gravitational wave detectors like LIGO show these wanderers exist. Pulled by the Milky Way's spin, Earth might get tidally shredded, first oceans boiling, continents cracking as it spirals in. The horror. You'd feel the pull before seeing it. Earthquakes ramp up, days shorten. It's like a cosmic vacuum cleaner sucking us into oblivion. Rare, but if it happens, game over. Now, number 3. Runaway climate meltdown. This one's already in motion, but imagine it tipping over the edge. Human emissions trap heat, melting permafrost, and releasing methane, a gas 25 times worse than CO2. If we hit a tipping point, oceans acidify, ice caps vanish, and temperatures soar 5–10 degrees. Superstorms rage, sea levels swallow coasts, and mass extinctions follow, like the end Permian event that killed 96% of species. IPCC reports warn we're close. Feedback loops could make it unstoppable. Visualize Miami underwater, wildfires circling the globe, humanity scrambling in a steamy hellscape. Terrifying because it's us doing it, slowly but surely. Hitting number 2, solar superflare apocalypse. Our sun's mostly chill, but stars like it can burp massive flares. Think Carrington event of 1859 on steroids. That one fried telegraphs. A modern mega flare could nuke satellites, black out power grids worldwide, and pump radiation that breaches the atmosphere. No electricity means no water pumps, no hospitals, chaos in days. Solar physicists study sunspots and predict cycles, but a once-in-a-lifetime monster could hit any time. Picture the auroras dancing at the equator, then EMP waves toasting your phone forever. Billions in the dark, fighting for scraps straight out of a sci-fi nightmare, but real. And the number one most terrifying way Earth ends. The sun's red giant phase in about 5 billion years. Yeah, it's far off, but hear me out, this is the big one. As our star ages, it'll swell into a bloated red giant, expanding to engulf Mercury, Venus, and maybe Earth. Models from stellar evolution show it'll boil our oceans first, turning the planet into a Venus like Inferno at 500 degrees Celsius. Atmosphere strips away, surface melts into magma. No escape pods here. Life ends in a fiery hug from the sun we once loved. It's inevitable, a slow cosmic roast, but it gives us time to ponder what a wild ride our little blue dot has had. Whew, there you have it, the 7 scariest scientific doomsdays for Earth. From rocks from space to our own star's betrayal, it's a reminder of how fragile yet resilient our world is. The takeaway. Science helps us prepare, whether deflecting asteroids or curbing emissions, so let's keep exploring to extend the story. What do you think is the scariest? Drop a comment below, smash that like if this blew your mind, and subscribe for more mind-bending what-ifs. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, Earthlings.